It's a relationship, an intimate relationship. If I don't know him, I can't hear him, yet he should direct my everyday. But there are other relationships biting for our time as moms. So as moms, how do we get that close relationship? How do we get our God date? Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones. And on this channel, I talk about productivity, tips, methods, and resources because peaceful presence can be found when you are a good steward of your time. Now, this is a collaboration with Abby over at the Bear Hill Family. Definitely check out this sweet family's YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This beautiful idea was her idea and she's just got such a wonderful heart. So definitely check out her YouTube channel. Send her, give her some love and let her know that you came from Wendy. So every season of life looks different. There are those newborn stages and the teenage stages. There are seasons where you've got an abundance of time to spend in the Word and seasons where you don't. It is my hope that the tips that I talk about today will help you create moments throughout the day where you can just be peacefully present in your walk with the Lord and peacefully present with God. Because the truth of the matter is, it doesn't have to be an hour every single day in order to be rich. So one of the things that is a must for me when it comes to my personal walk with God and just finding those special moments is a mom morning routine. Getting up in the morning and having that 30 minutes of just reading my Bible, praying, journaling, meditating, that has truly been a blessing to my life and to my home. I did a video last week talking all about my mom morning routine. So if you'd like to see it, I'll link it up above as well as in the description for you to watch it. But I do wake up early, especially with that time in mind to spend in the Word. The other unique way that I find time to spend with God is when I'm with my children, doing our devotionals with my children. There have been seasons in life that the only time that I really got to spend in the Word was when I'm doing homeschool with them and doing Bible with them during their homeschool. And so I find that Bible is a necessary subject in our homeschool. It is something that is like math, reading, and language arts. It is a must. It is one that we must do. And that has truly helped to constantly recenter us when it comes to finding time to spend in the Word, as well as when it comes to finding time to recenter my heart, because I end up learning a lot from their Bible studies as well. The other thing that has been super helpful is utilizing a quiet time and a nap time. So when we do have quiet time and nap time, that is my personal time to do a devotional. In the mornings, I like to read just straight scripture. So in the afternoon, during quiet time, I like to read a devotional and just use that as an opportunity to once again recenter and refocus my eyes towards the Lord. Praying during bath time and sometimes while driving has been very eye-opening for me when it comes to my prayer life, when it comes to that time. So not necessarily listening to music in the car and jamming out, but taking that opportunity to just talk to God. Also music and worship through music is such a great opportunity to spend time with God. It's such a great opportunity to find yourself in His presence, to lift your hands, to just center your heart and just bear it all out. And so I find that playing worship music while cleaning is one of the ways that I can just talk to Him. The Bible app is such a wonderful app. The fact that it reads the Bible to you, high fives, yes, I'm all about that. And so while cooking or while cleaning, I can take that opportunity to listen to scripture and have scripture constantly be pouring and flowing into me. And that has been life-changing, as well as listening to different books that really focus me towards Jesus, or that really point me towards Jesus. Different books such as Mama Bear Apologetics and Parenting, and there's a bunch of them. Actually, let me know in the comments if you'd like for me to do a video talking all about my go-to Christian mom books. The last God date that I might have throughout the day is to either read a couple of verses before bed, or just write and journal before bed and just talk to God and pray and recenter myself right before I lay my head down at night. Is just another way that we connect. So I find that finding little pockets of time is a great way to have a God date.
I hope this video has helped you think of some unique ways to plan some small God date moments throughout your day. And don't forget to check out Abby's channel and her tips. Until next time, bye.